Ziggy, 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 zag. Ziggy, 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 zag, zag, zag. Giggles with Ziggy Zag.
Hey Ziggy! Hey Zag! What's up? The sky? That's funny. I got a joke for you. Knock knock. Who's there? Canoe. Canoe who? Canoe, come over and play. Anytime. Ooh, I got one for you. Knock knock. Who's there? Olive. Olive who? Olive you. Ah, that's so sweet. I love you too. We're best friends. I got one. Knock knock. Who's there? Lettuce. Lettuce who? Lettuce in. We're freezing. It's so cold. Not if you're in Pakistan because it's really hot here. Ooh, I got one more for you. Why didn't the teddy bear eat his lunch? Because he was not hungry? Because he was stuffed. Get it? He was stuffed? Yes, he was stuffed with cotton. Oh, I got one for you. What's the difference between a guitar and a fish? The guitar can play music and the fish can't. No, let me tell you. You can't tune a fish. Get it? I don't get it. Tuna, it's a fish and you can't tune a fish. Oh, I get it. That's funny. Why does everyone love cats? Because they're cute and fluffy. And they're cuddly. And they're furry. They are really cute. Cute. No, let me tell you, because they're perfect. I have a last one for you, Zach. Why was the mother firefly unhappy? Because her child was lost. Because her children weren't that bright. Very funny. Join us again next time on Giggles with Ziggy Zag.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.